Ooh, we're about to make some steak and shrimp. We got the shrimp, steak, potatoes. We got rosemary, garlic, asparagus, butter, salt, pepper, sour cream, milk, a bunch of stuff. We're gonna start off by getting the asparagus. You're gonna wash this, cut those ends off. We're gonna get a baking sheet, some parchment paper, spread that out evenly. We're gonna put some seasoned salt. Some sea salt, some extra virgin olive oil. Sprinkle that on there. Now we're gonna get some garlic. We're gonna chop this garlic up, right? Don't make it too fine. Just have it like nice and chunky like that. Look at that. Ooh. Sprinkle that garlic on top of that asparagus. Throw that thing in the oven. Put a little bit of pepper on that thing. Throw that thing in the oven. Let it cook. Now we're gonna work on our steak. Steak isn't the best quality, but that shit's still here. We're gonna season it with some salt, pepper. I'm gonna put some Cajun seasoning on the middle one, only because I like that Cajun seasoning. Man, that Louisiana Cajun seasoning, so damn good. Boom, there we go. Now we're gonna get our potatoes ready. So you're gonna get your potatoes, wash your potatoes. We're gonna peel it, and we're gonna cut them in like little cubes. I cut them in cubes because it just cooks faster for the mashed potatoes. Cut it like that. Boom, boom. Long way. Dice. Everything is ready. We're gonna season our water. Put some salt in our water. Now we're on to our shrimp. Wash your shrimp. Take the shells off. I always leave the tails on. I think the tails add a little bit more flavor. There we go. Shells are off. They're washed. Now we're gonna season it with some Cajun seasoning and some Old Bay. Just like that. Boom. Let it sit to the side. Done. Water's ready. Throw our potatoes in. Let that boil up. Now we're gonna work on our steak. We're gonna cast iron. We're gonna do olive oil, and we're gonna do some butter, and we're gonna throw some rosemary, some garlic in there as well. It tastes so damn good. Throw that steak on there. Boom, boom. Look at that. Let it cook. Let it sizzle. Throw that garlic in there. I leave the garlics whole. Throw the garlic. Throw the rosemary. And just let it cook. Let the seasoning cook inside that thing. Look at it. Ooh, give it a little flavor bath. Oh my God. Look at it. It's done. Now we're gonna put that thing to the side and let it rest. Like a setup. Now we're gonna do the shrimp. So get the shrimp. All you need is the little skillet thing, man. Olive oil. Throw the shrimp in. You want to cook the shrimp about maybe like 3 or 4 minutes. You don't want to cook it too long. You know your shrimp is overcooked when it's just like super hard and like rubbery and they curl like all the way, like a full sit-up. Don't overcook your shrimp, bro. Potatoes are done. So we're going to put the potatoes in there after you drain them. We're going to do some salt, pepper, butter. What did? I put that rosemary and the garlic that was in the pan from the steak. Threw it in there. Put some milk and some sour cream and just mix it up. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm telling you that the shit hits. Steak is done. About to slice this thing up and I'm about to start plating. Look at it, bro. Oh my God. So like I like my steak like medium. Well, depending on the quality, I like it medium rare to medium. But if it's like not that good of a quality, I like to just cook it medium well to well. Boom. Look at it. Look at this. Look at it glisten. Look at the ingredient. Look at the details. It's a certified, verified, bona fide, busted gut.